Hello and welcome to this second video for program 68, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you do the setup of the chart and also look at using some of the inputs. So the first thing we do, if we go to the symbol, and what I've done, the style section you'll see here is I've made the price data invisible. I've also set line on close. So that's the settings for the symbol. And then having done that, we go to the analysis technique, and if we click on format and style, then for the HA open green, I've set that as bar high, HA close green bar low, HA open open red, set that as bar high, close red, or HA close red, bar low, and then HA high, bar high, HA low, bar low. Now you'll notice that HA high and low I've set to a thinner weight, and the others I've set to a thicker weight, and that is to replicate the bars. And the color of these you can't set here because that's set as an input for the program, which I will talk about now. So let's look at program inputs and we'll go through those. So first of all, plot Heikin-Ashi. I've set that to true. Now you don't have to set it to true, you could set it to false, and what you can do in that case is you can still see potentially the consolidation indicator, the rectangles which represent the various candlestick patterns, and you could, for example, have those overlaid with a normal chart. But at the moment we've got this set to true, and we've set the actual original candlestick data to invisible. Okay, wick color, this is the wick color of the candles, set to white, up color green, orange, and notice these are colors in quotes, and what we do is we use the new colors, gives you a great variety of color, and then we convert those to a color which can be plotted on the chart. Now length and percent, these are to do with the candlestick patterns, and you can see various other values, for example doji percent and so on. But if we wanted to use a doji, clearly we would just set that to true, and then we would make sure that we had the relevant doji percentage. We can also set the doji color. So for example, if we set that to true and then we set the doji color to yellow, we're probably going to see a large number of dojis. Okay, so you can see there dojis with the rectangles appearing on the chart. So similarly for the other patterns, so use white soldiers, black crows, set that to true, they're going to appear. You can set the color. Similar for use harami, use hammer, and you've got the color options. And also you can change the transparency option. At the moment I've got that set to 255. You can set it between a value of 0 and 255. If I set that, for example, to 100 there, you'll see that, for example, these patterns here, the transparency changes. And then we come down to the consolidation. Now 7 means that we're calculating the consolidation value over 7 bars, and the maximum consolidation index, this is the value that we will draw the lines that I mentioned earlier, these lines here, if the consolidation index calculates as being less than that value. And then we can change the consolidation, the line color. I've got it red to start with, and then the continuation a white color. And you can also change the weight. So got it set to 2 at the moment. If I were to go to 5, you'll see that the thickness of those lines increase considerably. Okay, so please, if you do decide to download this, if you have any questions, then please email me.